I'm John Hourihan, Fine Homebuilding brand ambassador, owner of Vintage Builders, where we specialize in custom homes with authentic architectural details inside and out. It's really all about craftsmanship with us. We partner with Pella windows to visit builders all over the U.S. so they can tell their stories on how they build extraordinary homes. That's why we're in Iowa at Pella's factory to see how they pour craftsmanship into their wood windows and doors. Let's go take a look. Wow. When do you want to get started here?
We're going to start at the beginning of the process. So we'll start from raw lumber, and we're going to work our way through the process. This is the beginning of the process.
Where are you getting most of your wood from?
Mostly from the West Coast. It's primarily Ponderosa pine.
But from the U.S.?
Yeah, mostly
Awesome.
from the U.S. This warehouse holds about 3 million board feet. We keep it inside all the time.
3 million, huh?
This is about
That's it?
6 to 8 days worth of material. So once we pull a bunk out of here, in a few days, it's going to be a window or a door.
That's insane. The turnover from going from raw material hits your plant to actually a window that leaves the other side of the plant.
We measure that in days.
This place is huge. How big is the square footage?
Yeah, this building is about 600,000 square feet.
Oh, that's it?
So raw wood enters the facility, 3 million board feet at a time, and then pass through here, where a trained operator visually assesses the boards and enters commands into a laser-guided saw to rip boards to maximum yield. Once ripped, the wood moves along the line to be sorted by character traits and stacked with similar pieces. Then the stacks are craned across the facility into another area where boards are cut to length and sorted for production. This got me thinking about the cutoffs. Brad told me the plant utilizes 100% of the wood, including waste. What they don't use in production is sold as shavings and sawdust. The cutoffs, however, are collected in huge bins and will be glued end to end to create new board lengths. The bins are dumped into hoppers that feed a conveyor belt. Pieces are oriented by hand before running through the machine that glues them together end to end to make new board lengths. With the raw wood process behind us, we move on to the good stuff, manufacturing.
Dude, where did you take me?
This building is all final assembly, so we're going to see the lumber that we just ripped and chopped. We're going to see that being built into windows.
This place is huge.
Here I'm looking at a glue up before it's milled into frame parts. What I'm holding is made up of joined board lengths captured by solid wood on both sides. This is genius. Not only is a composite board like this more stable than a solid wood, but the solid pieces on the ends are what's visible on the final product, leaving the impression of solid wood with the strength and durability of an engineered product. That's innovation, and the end result is flawless. All the parts are milled, cut to length, and batched as they head towards assembly.
As soon as we make this into a live customer order, it's going to be in the sequence, and we have all these different streams of parts coming to the final assembly line in that exact same production sequence.
The more I learned about the operations of this facility, the more I was impressed. Everything is thought through, like when it comes to finishing. Instead of applying paint or stain to completed units and having to mask off the glass, removing the hardware, here they apply finish to the individual parts before they're assembled. So there's no wasted time or effort on the back end. Super efficient in my book. Seeing the units come together was pretty cool. Every station has a precise task as units are mulled together and prepped for glass. I know from experience these windows are heavy, but the folks on the line were moving and spinning products around like they were weightless.
This is similar to an air hockey table. Shoot little portals of air up, so it makes it easy to move something around.
It was this point of the tour that I was struck by my biggest takeaway. And that's how many hands touch this product. Yes, it's an innovative, modern manufacturing facility, but it's still made by people. And to me, that screams craftsmanship. This commitment to excellence is maintained throughout every stage of production, down to the smallest details. And to ensure every unit is up to snuff, they pressure test every vented unit before it leaves the building to ensure the window is properly sealed for performance. I even watched them wrap products for shipping. Again, painstaking attention to detail to make sure guys like me are happy on the receiving end of the product. I love that. As the tour came to an end, Brad had one more stop planned for me. I'm gonna need these. This is where the science happens. All the rigorous testing that supports all the decisions made on the factory floor, like UV exposure, extreme weather conditions, opening and closing units thousands of times, going as far as shooting a 2x4 into a window to test if the glass is properly yielding to the impact while deflecting the 2x away from the window, which it does nicely. On the way out, I had the chance to tour all the different product lines in their extensive collection. One unit that caught my interest has an integrated screen unit that's just incredible. Pella started out as a screen company, and 30 years later, they're integrating screen technology once again.
So that's a wrap. We just walked through Pella's entire facility, learned about all their wood products, windows and doors, and it was kind of special to really understand what goes into these windows and doors that get made. The hands that touch this, I think it was 50 pairs of hands touch each product that go down the line across 10 assembly lines. The history that we learned, pretty intense as well. It started with a screen, and the new technology that's coming out is also with a screen. So it's pretty cool, and it was a great ride.